Hey, you flipping ratonas! There's brand new stuff from Glorious and it's here! Good afternoon, morning, and welcome to Turbo Tortoise Tech. If you're new here, I'm Reese of the 4-piece variety of Wooks Triple XL, and I can't wait to tell you about these all new Glorious stuff because they're actually legitimately better than the previous generation. And I haven't even really started using them yet. I've literally just done an unboxing, picked them up a couple of days ago, and I wanted to get them all nice and fresh and on film so you can see the all new Glorious. We've got 3 new Model O's coming to market with hard shell and even lighter than before. These are now 12 grams lighter. They tip the scales at 55 for the big boy. Over here for the long boy Model O. A big boy at 55 grams. I know, right? Absolutely impeccable. We'll have to test them over the weekend and then come back to you next week with the battery life and wireless and all the rest of it. But on the surface of things, I mean, they're just super hot. The Red Fox I also did quite like, and the Golden Panda. Not too big of a fan of the baby blue and white, but I know that there is some people out there that will very much enjoy that. And so what's kind of cool is there's a little bit of a different flavor for each palette over here. And this guy over here, this is not a Model O Mini. This is an all-new product coming out from the Glorious Forge. The idea with this is that the community can now get way more involved with the production of products. And so this is the Pro 1 Series or Series 1 Pro. This is the first product coming out of the Glorious Forge, and I'm so thankful that I get to be one of the first people in the country, if not the very first person, to hold one of these in the hand, and it does feel pretty damn good. So unlike the Model O, just as an unboxing and a first look of this, I've got some close-ups of these two side by side to show you a little bit of different design methodology that's already present with the first iteration of these forged products. We have the Model O on this side, and obviously we have the gray and blue for the Series 1 Pro. Now it's a lot shorter than the Model O. It's also quite a lot narrower. If you look at it from the after, you will see even on film, it's quite a lot narrower than the Model O, which has incredibly good hand feel for a big wide palm like mine. But if you've got a smaller hand, which is the majority of people, I'm on the larger end of the spectrum as far as height and size and stuff goes. I know the desk is very what's the word? It creates an illusion that I'm actually a short guy, but this is electronically adjustable. I'm six foot and change. So yeah, this is not what you would call a small hand, and it completely obviously engulfs the smaller product. But even I can sit quite comfortably on it over here. The front as well has this wider splayed sort of IME type of effect to it. It seems to be a little bit in between, like maybe a Razor Taipan and then the IME itself. And like I said, these are now even lighter. These tip the scales of 49 grams. I'm just going to double check the box because I was like, what? This is like even, yeah, these are 49 grams. So 55 for the new Model O, so 12 gram weight reduction, and hard shell, which is going to be for a lot of you, like I say, with the need to clean and stuff and the paranoia of dust, eliminates all of that. Exactly the same feet position and underside, which I'm very okay with because it's just going to reduce the cost for new skates and stuff from Glorious. So if they're all using the same sort of skates and pattern, then they have less stuff to manufacture. they can mass produce more stuff more cheaply, brings the cost down for the rest of us, which is really nice. The new package though is also really sick. You get 3 stickers included from the Forge, one of them being an MP sticker, so you can show you're part of the ambidextrous sort of mask gang. Then you've got like a really nice little placard there, and on that placard is like all information about the Forge and what they're doing and how you as a community member can then get involved with that. Absolutely love community driven stuff like this. So I've got 6 of the new mouse. I'm going to be testing both over the next week into next week. I hopefully will have this out for you, let's say Tuesday. We'll have more complete tests of these to see what the new sensors are like, talk about the new buttons and the new wireless, etc., to see what other improvements or regressions we have made with this. I don't know if the decrease in weight is going to be a decrease in battery life. We hope not, right? Then these at 55 grams will be the lightest sort of mouse at this size. This should be G Pro X length as well. They should, as far as I'm aware, just off the top of my head as well, they really do share a lot of dimensions as far as height, width, and length go at least. Their volume, like basically as I'm saying, it should be the same. Of course, the shape and stuff is quite different. So it's going to be interesting. This could be the lightest, you know, esports sort of level mouse out now. They'll have to go back and try and get under 55 grams of this weight then. So good job, Glorious. These out of the box are looking absolutely fantastic. So I'm gonna go and skit some people in the face over the weekend with my scripts, as it were. You know, people accusing me of cheating in 33. It feels good, I've got to be honest. It stokes that ego. Just you thought you think you're dropping off when you're getting older. Apparently not. Apparently I'm still cheating. So we'll take that. Until then though, guys, until next time, hope you guys stay safe, keep well. If you have enjoyed this review, please hit us up with a like and subscribe, and I will see you on Tuesday. I feel lonely by your side.